Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to transfer money through Western Union. The process is straightforward and effortless, but before starting the process, let me tell you one thing, and that is, Western Union provides limited access to each country. Currently, I am using Western Union USA account, so maybe the interface of your Western Union appears a little bit different. But no worries, just follow my steps. The first one is tap on this option, Send Money. After tapping on it, you will be redirected to this page, and here you can see the option, Your Receiver Country Name. Here, tap on it, and search for the country on which you want to send money. After searching for country, here you can write the amount. Because my selected country is USA, so that's why my amount is in USD, and the receiver country is Mexico. And here you can see it is the estimated amount received by my customer. And if you scroll down further, here is the option. How does your received want the money? Cash pickup, bank account, mobile wallet. Here you have to select the method. Just for example, I am selecting bank method. My receiver will receive money through bank. If I tap on this cash pickup, then he will go to the agent office of Western Union and can pick up cash from there. Now here is the option. How would you like to pay? Pay cash in store or pay online? So here the choice is how you want to pay. Just for example, I will select bank account. Tap on it. And the next thing is scroll down and tap on the option Continue. And here you have to write the complete name of your receiver, first name. And if he has middle, then write middle name and last name. Write the street address of your receiver name and also the email address. And on the last you can see the mobile number. These things are optional, but just to be secure, write everything here. After writing everything, tap on the option Continue. So it was the basic way by which you can send money using Western Union.